Meet Moov, your personal fitness coach that speaks to you while you work out.
Welcome to day 5 of your training.
Moov tracks your form in 3D space, syncing wirelessly to your smartphone. And it even keeps track while you're away from your device. Whether you're in the pool or on the road, Moov encourages you to make it to the top.
This is your toughest hill so far. You can do it.
Moov minimizes the chance of injury
Your impact is too high. Land softer.
and corrects your form.
Lengthen your stride. Good job.
Moov is waterproof and detects your precise motion for every single stroke, turn, and break. Moov keeps track of the data while you focus on your swim. And whatever your fitness goals are, Moov pushes you past your plateau
1, 2, come on, one more.
and teaches you new techniques to help you perform better.
Now switch your gear.
With Moov, you can conquer the road. Moov is with you during every movement of every day and night. You compete and connect across all sports and improve your performance step by step. Moov, your personal fitness coach.
Vaavud is a Danish company that provides high-resolution, personalized weather information. To make this possible, we invented our wind meters for smartphones. We have won several awards for both design and innovation, and we believe that users knowing both the wind speed and direction will give them the opportunity to get the full experience of their outdoor activities. Designed with 2 cups, Mjolnir is a really easy wind meter to use, as it provides highly accurate wind speed measurements. With its minimalistic design and the use of highly durable materials, we have made the Mjolnir extremely robust, and that's why it's called the world's toughest wind meter. For more technical information, the Mjolnir does not contain electronics. Wind speed measurements are conducted by 4 small magnets mounted inside the wind meter. Designed with blades, Sleipnir is a really easy wind meter to use as well. It provides highly accurate wind measurements, and this is the first handheld anemometer that also measures wind direction, and that's why it's called the world's smartest wind meter. For more technical information, the Sleipnir is made with optic sensors that generate more than 40,000 readings per second. In order to use both wind meters, you need to get the Vaavud app, which is available for free on the App Store and Google Play. Just search for Vaavud. The first screen is where you can run your own measurements. When completed, you'll get a summary of your wind speed measurement with additional information, such as the temperature and pressure. In the second screen, you can see the Vaavud community's measurements globally, which is handy if you want to know the wind for your next location. And in the final screen, you can see all your previous measurements, so now you don't have to write them down anymore. For the Mjolnir, you just need to download the app and plug the device in your phone. For the Sleipnir, it's the same procedure, but you need to do a little indoor calibration before you use it. Just follow the instructions written on your screen, and when it reaches 100%, you're ready to go. Follow us to stay updated with all the awesome stuff we're doing in our quest to master the weather.
Imagine the possibilities. Now you can enjoy your favorite bottles, glass by glass, without ever pulling the cork. Coravin.
Who can resist this kind of home environment? So sweet and cozy. Now, think about scenarios that involve a hammer. It seems that we just easily ignore how important it is, and we just tend to misplace it after using it. Where is it when you need it so badly? Exactly! That's why we're presenting you the Rhino Hammer. It is going to be favored and greatly valued by your family, bringing such joy and laughter to the house. You'll see how easy it is to see the world with a different point of view and to enjoy life with ultimate creativity.